In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this device. First of all, you need to access your keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, tap on this gear one. Select voice typing and click on gray sweater next to use voice typing. Then go back to your keyboard. Over here you can finally click on microphone icon and this way create your message. When you're ready, click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!